The cabin air filter in 2019-2022 Chevy Silverado models is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. First, empty all contents from the glove box to make room for access. Gently squeeze the sides of the glove box inward to release the stops, then lower it down to reveal the filter housing. Remove the access door or cover, which is typically secured by clips or tabs. Slide out the old filter. Note the orientation. The notched edge should be up. Expect dust and debris to fall out. Remember the filter's orientation, notched edge up. Installing it backwards can cause immediate problems like reduced airflow and unpleasant odors. A flashlight helps with visibility. With the old filter removed, inspect the filter housing for any debris and clean if necessary. Take your new OEM or aftermarket filter and install it into the housing, ensuring it's in the correct orientation with the notched edge up. Replace the access door or cover, securing it with the clips or tabs. Reattach the glove box by aligning it and pushing it back into place. After replacement, reset your vehicle's system if it has active pollen mode or advanced HVAC features for optimal performance. Regular replacement every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually maintains HVAC efficiency and air quality.